This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Jose Fuentes. Beautiful, well-maintained colonial home. This beautiful home offers you 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, lovely kitchen, stainless steel appliances, white cabinets, granite countertops. HVAC unit was replaced about 3 years ago. Beautiful hardwood flooring, 1-car garage, fully fenced backyard for you to enjoy. Rear yard has a deck and shed. No HOA. Minutes to shopping, dining, I-95. Must see it for more information. Review the details below.